What's wrong with my spikes, bro?
Oh, I'm not saying nothing.
Only like slightly tacky.
Where'd you get Amazon pants?
I used to work there.
Really?
I'm gonna be honest. Are they making out at the gas pump? They were definitely making out at the gas pump, bro. Did not know if we were gonna get around to making another video. Well, I did, because we've been locked in and we're on day 4 in a row of trying to make a video. But dude, I was getting pretty discouraged there for a little bit. Give y'all a little story behind that. Well, first, how y'all doing? Do we sound good? Does it sound bad? Does it look good? Does it look bad? Can you even tell a difference? Please tell me you tell a difference in a good way. If it's bad, still tell me, but I'm gonna... But yeah, like I said, past few days I've been trying to make a video, and okay, now I can't get my visor up. The audio has been not on our side. I probably should have left everything alone, but I switched helmets to this LS2 Citation 2 Carbon just because it has a little less wind noise compared to that modular helmet I was riding, and I don't really want to wear a modular helmet on a sport bike. That being said, we ended up switching, and the wind noise inside of this LS2 with the original mic I had was terrible, which doesn't make sense because the wind noise to me in this helmet is a lot quieter. Oh. Can't park there, buddy. I wanted to rip so bad right there. It's the urge. Gotta contain myself a little bit. Got my phone in my back pocket, about to lose it. Where were we at again? What were we talking about? God, I did this last time too. So we switched up helmets. The wind noise was terrible. Didn't make sense because this helmet's quieter to me. Woody woo. Like right now, I hope the audio is not bad because I hear quite a bit of the wind, but I don't know. I know the new setup looks pretty trick. It's very minimalist. All you can see is my camera on the outside. You can't see my mic wires or little mic adapter that the GoPro had. So I'm pretty stoked on that. It does look pretty trick. I've only messed with it a little bit, so I don't really know how much better or worse the GoPro or the video footage actually is. But man, I really had to switch up from the GoPros. No shade, dude, because like ever since I was a kid, dude, that's all I rocked was the GoPros. Whenever I rode dirt bikes and stuff, you know, my dad slapped a GoPro on me, and that's what it was. GoPro was the action camera. There wasn't really much more. And now all these DJIs and other brands come out with stuff like the Instant 360's, which was a thought in my head, but the DJI has all the mics and all the drones and all this stuff that you can kind of like have a little, what do you call it? Like how you got a bunch of Apple products. Yeah, buddy. Oh my goodness. If that wind noise is like, quiet, boys, we're about to be cooking. But honestly, this video's probably butchered too, and I'm gonna get home and I'm gonna rage. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna stay calm, cool, and collected and try again tomorrow. But man, I really want this to work. Honestly, kind of stole somebody's Motovlog setup. It was Chase on 2 wheels. What? He forgot his gloves. Are we still going? I think we're still going. Woo. So nice. And another thing with the GoPro, dude. Every time I would go out and like try to film something, I would always do like a little mic check, and that's kind of how I realized that the audio was getting messed up. So yeah, I was doing my mic check, trying to. It took me 30 minutes to connect to the GoPro app to even see the footage. And then when I would, I'd be like, okay, that wasn't good. I'd move my mic, or I'd try a different setting, and I'd go for another 10 minutes down the road and stop, and take another 30 minutes trying to connect to my phone. And I couldn't have that no more, dude. Yeah.
I was wondering, my hands was cold as fuck.
I seen you doing all this. I was like, what is going on?
It's a little chilly.
It is a little chilly. I like it though. I would take this over baking in the sun. Oh, they're so pretty. I need to clean my wheels. Oh my gosh. Mine are filthy compared to his. No offense, Drew. Your wheels are kind of dirty though. Mine are worse. It's okay.
What's your bike running at?
I forgot how to work it. 199. What's yours at?
188. What'd you hit on that road?
I don't even know. Sometimes I don't even look at none of that. I just go. No objectives today though. Just really wanted to get out and test this mic, and I hit up Drew and he was like, yeah dude, you want to see some back roads? I said, sure dude. This man does always got the spots. He's always like, dude, I found a new back road for us to go rip. Need to do it more for real. Back roads are fun. They're just not my place. Not that it's not fun. It's just I don't push on the street. There is nothing like this ZX6R blasting through the trees though. That is beautiful. I'm hoping this mic picks up really good bike audio as well. Was in my eyes, I couldn't see nothing. This thing feels so busy too. I'm always shifting. It could be me because it sounds so good and feels good with the quick shifter and all that, but it's a very busy motorcycle. It reminds me a lot of like the YZ250Fs. You're always shifting them on the track. That's one thing I need to do. I don't think I've been to the track. Oh, that's a lie. I've been to the track twice this year, but that is like, what? Twice, dude? Who am I? What is going on? Let me know down in the comments if y'all want to see more moto content. We're probably going to bring it anyways, but a little encouragement never hurt. Know what you guys like to see. Do y'all even like the ZX content? Oh my God! Why don't my bike do that? Well, I know why I don't do that. It's got a cat in it, but oh, dude, I love it. We need to run these things. Maybe I'll get him to in a minute, or we'll do it in a future video. Definitely need to run these things though. He's got the pretty much full bolt-ons. This is bone stock with a muffler on it. So obviously his bike's gonna be faster, but I'd like to see like how much faster the full bolt-ons do, or how much faster the full bolt-ons make it is the proper saying for that. I don't know. Had to do it. I wish he had a camera on. I'd really like to know how that sounded. Probably pretty cool. This is probably pretty cool, bro. This is why I need to let him stay in front. I don't know where I'm going. I get ahead of myself though. His does look pretty torquey, bro. Said he don't have sprockets or none of that, so. The collab on a quick shifter's nutty. something in there. I mean, she ain't thumping or nothing, but she's a screamer. I ain't got no music playing this whole time. What the heck? What's going on, man? Pimp in disgrace. Dude, I almost can't control myself. I'm about to act up with this quick shifter. It's so good. It's too good. Straight up. I have a problem, dude. I get a bike and I'm like, I don't need anything else. This is the best thing a man could ever have. And then, you know, I'll enjoy it for a while, and then something will happen. I'll see something on YouTube or something on Instagram, and I'm like, I don't need it. I need it. I need it. I need it. I need it. You know what I mean? Then I need it. It's kind of how it was with the ZX. I was over sport bikes forever, dude. Uncomfortable. That's about it. That's about all I can say. I was gonna try to, you know, list some things that I don't really like about them, but other than them being uncomfortable, they're insane motorcycles, for real. No clutch that time? Okay, that was... I wasn't expecting that, for real. Just kind of just lifted up on me. Dang, I just banged the freaking camera off the... Now I'm rubbing it with my fingers, dude. God, I can't have nothing nice. My gosh, I felt that one in my heart. In the last video or not, but can I use a quick shifter too much? Because dude, I'll burn this thing up if you can. Not on purpose, but dude, it's hard for me to touch the clutch on an upshift knowing I have a freaking downshifter, you know what I mean? Or what did I just say? It's hard for me to not use the quick shifter when I have the quick shifter. Dude, I don't know, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Yep, sounds about right. Got the damn clippings in the road. Golly, all over the road. Some mods bad. I know it's just a 600 and it's not gonna like do 180 mile an hour, but if I can just get this thing to be like a ripper out of corners, like make it want to pack the front wheel and kind of feel like it wants to throw me off the bike a little bit, I'd like that. I'd be happy with that. I pulled up at the gas station earlier. He was like, "Is my bike that loud?" I'm like, bro, what? You got a cat to leave full M4. What do you mean? That thing is obnoxious in a good way. I do feel like mine is really loud though. To only have a slip-on it with a baffle, it's kind of loud. It must be nice. Must be nice. Do a first gear for it. Let's see if that feels any better. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh. See that? What was that, dude? That hit way harder. I understand it was first gear, but dude, that other pull and then, dude, I don't know, that was good. Woo! Okay, I had to. And that was not cool. Quick shifter is a little funky. It's super smooth, but sometimes I do be clicking a gear and it don't really click the gear for me. So it could be a rider error, but I yanked that John. Sometimes it still don't shift. If y'all made it this far in the video, if this video even gets posted, I really hope this video quality and audio quality is up to par with at least the last setup we had, and you know, we'll grow from here. But yeah, I appreciate y'all watching. I appreciate all the love y'all been showing the channel lately, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.